Did you know that over 90% of drivers have no idea their car is packed with hidden features and secret tricks? That's right. Your vehicle has built-in hacks that can save you money, prevent accidents, and even get you out of emergencies. But most people never discover them. In this video, we're about to reveal 10 car secrets that will completely change the way you see your car. Whether you're a new driver or a car enthusiast, these tips will blow your mind. Stick around because some of these secrets could save your life. Ready? Let's jump right in. Secret number 1. Gas tank locator. There's a simple way to locate your car's gas tank without any guesswork. Many drivers find themselves at a gas station with a rental or new car unsure of which side the gas cap is on. This leads to awkward maneuvers like backing up to switch lanes or struggling with a hose that's too short. Fortunately, the most cars have a gas tank locator. It contains a small arrow or a triangle symbol next to the fuel gauge on your dashboard. The arrow will point to the side of the car where the gas tank is located, whether it's on the left or right side of the vehicle. This indicator is often overlooked, but it's one of the simplest ways to avoid the hassle of guessing which side to pull up to at the pump. If you're driving a newer car, take a moment to appreciate this small but helpful feature every time you head to the gas station. It's one of those simple automotive secrets that can make your life just a little bit easier. Secret number 2. Cruise control. Long road trips and highway commutes can be tiring, especially when you have to maintain a steady speed for miles. But cruise control is a car secret that many drivers don't use to its full potential. This feature allows your car to automatically maintain a set speed without requiring you to keep your foot on the accelerator. Most cars have a cruise control button labeled Cruise or CRU, usually located on the steering wheel or stalk behind it. After reaching your desired speed, typically above 25 to 30 miles per hour, press the Set button. The car will now maintain this speed on its own. You can also increase or decrease speed in small increments using plus or minus buttons without touching the gas pedal. Cruise control turns off automatically when you press the brake or clutch. You can also turn it off manually by pressing the Cancel or Off button. It's not just about comfort. It can also improve fuel efficiency, reduce driver fatigue, and even help prevent speeding tickets. Secret number 3. Starting car with dead key. Fob. Imagine this. You're about to leave for work or a trip, but when you press the start button, nothing happens. Your key fob battery is dead, and now you're stuck. But don't worry. Most modern cars have a hidden backup method to start the engine, even with a dead fob. Many drivers don't know that keyless start systems have a built-in failsafe that allows you to start the car, even if your fob battery is completely drained. Even if the key fob battery is dead, it still contains a passive RFID chip that the car can recognize. Many push-start cars are designed to detect this chip even without battery power, but you need to know where to place the key fob. Let's go step by step. Hold your key fob directly against the start button for a few seconds. While holding the fob close to the button, press the brake pedal, then press Start. Your car should start. Normally, if it doesn't work, try adjusting the angle and position of the key fob. If this video is helpful, then subscribe the channel to fuel up the confidence. Let's move to the next secret. Secret number 4. Rear view mirror night mode. Driving at night can be challenging, particularly when bright headlights from vehicles behind you create glare in your rearview mirror. This blinding effect can strain your eyes, reduce visibility, and make night driving more dangerous. However, most cars have a built-in secret feature to counteract this problem. Rearview mirror night mode, also known as auto-dimming mirrors or manual anti-glare mode. This switches it into anti-glare mode, reducing the brightness and making night driving much safer. But wait, it gets even better. Many newer cars have auto-dimming rear-view mirrors that adjust automatically when they detect bright lights. No more struggling with nighttime visibility. If you drive a lot at night, this simple trick will make your experience much more comfortable. Secret number 5. Hidden fuel reserve. Ever been in a situation where your fuel gauge hits E mark and you panic, thinking your car is about to shut down any second? What if I told you that most cars have a hidden fuel reserve that allows you to drive even after the gauge reads empty? That's right, your car isn't truly out of fuel when the needle hits E. This built-in secret is designed to prevent you from getting stranded in the middle of nowhere, giving you some extra mileage before your car actually runs out of gas. The exact amount of fuel left in the hidden reserve varies from car to car, but most vehicles will still have 1 to 3 gallons of fuel left in the tank when the gauge reads empty. However, relying on this reserve too often can cause long-term damage to your vehicle. Secret number 6. Seatbelt height is adjustable. Many drivers and passengers struggle with uncomfortable seatbelts that dig into their necks or rest too low on their shoulders. What most people don't realize is that the height of your seatbelt is adjustable in most modern cars. Most modern vehicles have a seatbelt height adjuster on the B-pillar that is a vertical support between the front and rear doors. This mechanism allows you to raise or lower the seatbelt anchor point so that the belt fits correctly across your chest and shoulder. Properly positioned seatbelts can reduce injury risk in an accident, so don't overlook this simple but powerful trick. Secret number 7. Hidden physical key inside key fob. What if your key fob battery dies and you can't unlock your car? Most modern car owners rely entirely on keyless entry and push start buttons. But what happens when your fob stops working? Here's a secret most drivers don't know. Almost every modern key fob has a hidden physical key inside it, allowing you to unlock and even start your car in an emergency. This backup key is cleverly tucked away within the fob. To find this key, look for a small release button or sliding mechanism on the fob. Press it, and a physical key will pop out. This lets you unlock the door, even if the fob is completely dead. Many people don't even know this exists until they're stranded. Secret number 8. Use AC to defog windshield. Instantly, a fogged-up windshield is not just annoying, it's dangerous because it reduces visibility. The fastest way to clear up fog is to turn on the air conditioner, set it to fresh air mode, not recirculation, and turn the heat to high. This might seem counterintuitive, but it works because the AC removes moisture from the air while the heat prevents fog from forming again. If your car has a defrost button, use it to direct air straight at the windshield. Another trick is to keep a clean microfiber cloth in your car to wipe away excess moisture instantly. Secret number 9. Tire pressure changes with temperature. Many drivers don't realize that air pressure in their tires fluctuates with temperature changes. For every 10-degree Fahrenheit drop in temperature, tire pressure can decrease by about 1 to 2 psi. This means that as seasons change, your tires could be underinflated without you even noticing. Underinflated tires cause poor fuel economy, reduced traction, and faster wear, which can lead to unsafe driving conditions. That's why it's important to check your tire pressure regularly, especially during winter months when temperatures drop suddenly. On the flip side, hot weather can cause overinflation, which affects handling and increases the risk of a blowout. Always inflate your tires to the manufacturer's recommended PSI, which you can find on the driver's side door jamb or in the owner's manual. Secret number 10. AC recirculation button. Ever notice that little recirculation button on your car's AC controls? Most people don't know what it does, but it's actually the key to faster, more efficient cooling. When you activate it, your AC stops pulling in hot air from outside and instead reuses the already cooled air inside the car. This means your car gets cooler, faster, especially in extreme heat. But here's the catch. If your car is packed with passengers or has foggy windows, turn it off to let fresh air circulate. Use this trick correctly, and you'll never suffer through a slow, weak AC again. And that's it. 10 car secrets most drivers never knew. How many of these blew your mind? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you love discovering car hacks like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to fuel up the confidence. Thanks for watching and drive safe.